Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how I achieved these gorgeous 613 blonde butt length knotless braids. So if this is something you're interested in, just keep watching. First things first, I have restocked my favorite braid and gel. If you looked at my last video, then you know what I'm referring to. Let me know in the comments section what brand of braid and gel is your favorite and why. As usual, I'll be using the brick layering method, ensuring that my braids fall in between each other, and I'm trying to tuck her natural hair under or behind the braiding hair as best as I can. And to be honest, I was not quite a fan of tucking. I just assumed that it was time consuming and it would take additional time that I did not have or that I do not have, because I admit I'm not the fastest braider. But I recently started and I'm enjoying it so far. It was a bit challenging at first, but I'm now getting the hang of it. I decided not to pre-part my rows today, so here I'm just parting my horizontal lines, applying the braiding gel, then reparting, trying my best to get the parts as straight as possible. Then I create the sections or boxes in between each other and not on top of each other to get that full look. Now I'm going to split that section into 3 even pieces or strands. I then do half of a braid before adding my first small piece of braiding hair, and the first 2 small pieces are usually smaller than the other pieces that I'll be adding into that braid. I'm also trying to get the braid in the middle of that box or that section, and I'm keeping my fingers as close to the scalp as possible. I then add a few more pieces of braiding hair into that braid until I get to the desired size. I then braid down as usual, keeping my grip firm and tight to achieve a seamless braid. To keep the consistency or to extend the length of the braid, you'll see me adding small pieces of braiding hair. And I do this all the way down until I get to the end of the braid. I'm now on my last braid and everything looks great so far. I'm not quite finished as yet though because I still have the ends of the braids to complete. My client also requested that her ends be curled and she prefers wet and wavy. So I braided the ends together and dipped them into hot water to achieve this. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.